Hi everyone, welcome to all of you. This time we will discuss a very challenging geometry problem which has been taken from Go Geometry site. In this question we are given that a triangle ABC in which median BD means AD is equal to DC. Angle BAC which is X is equal to angle DBC and this angle BDA is 45 degree. We have to find the value of X. So we will discuss two methods how to solve this using pure geometry without trigonometry. So in this method we need some constructions. Draw perpendicular from B to AD and draw perpendicular from D to BC. So BP is drawn perpendicular to AC and DQ is perpendicular to BC. So as we know that this median divides a triangle into two equal areas. So area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle BDC and area of ABD is equal to area of BDC, which is equal to half. So these two areas are equal because a median divides a triangle into two equal areas. So we got this first relation. Now in triangles CBD and CAB, we are going to prove that these two are similar. In triangles CBD and CAB, first in CBD B angle and in CAB A angle will be equal given and each X here. And second thing is this angle C is common in both, common angle. So by a test these two triangles are similar, so therefore we can say that triangle CBD is similar to triangle A test of similarity. If the two triangles are similar, then we can say that corresponding sides are in proportion. CB by CA is equal to BD by AB and that is equal to CD by CB. So if we take these two relations, so CB square is CA into CD. CB square is equal to CA into CD. Now if CD is X, since D is the midpoint of AC, if CD is X, then DA will also be X and CA will be 2X. CB square is equal to 2X into X. If it is, don't take X because X is already here, take it A. So this will also be A. So 2A square. So A square is equal to CB square by 2, which gives A as CB by root 2. But A is DC or AD. So we take it as AD. AD is CB by root 2. This is another relation. Substitute AD is equal to CB by root 2 in this relation. So we will get CB by root 2 into BP, BC into DQ. This CB and this CB will get cancelled. Now BP, this is 45, this is 90, so this will be 45. PD and PB are equal because 45 isosceles triangle. So this PD is equal to this BP. If it is PD is B, then BP will also be B. B square plus B square is BD square, Pythagoras theorem. So 2B square is BD square. So B square is BD square by 2. So B is equal to BD by root 2. So BP is equal to BD by root 2. So 1 upon root 2, BP is equal to BD by root 2, which is equal to DQ. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, so we found BD as root 2 into root 2 is 2 DQ. So this is important result we found. This BD is equal to twice of DQ. Now if we take DQ as arc and cut over here, DQ, if this is X, this is C, this length DQ is C, then this, let us suppose DQ is DR, so DR will also be C. Join it, and since BD is 2 DQ, so this is 2C, BD is 2C and this is C, so this BR will also be C. So we found BR, RD and DQ all are equal. This BR is equal to RD is equal to DQ and each is C. Now this R is midpoint of BD and this also. Draw RS parallel to QD. RS is parallel to QD. Now this is 90, so this will also be 90. This is midpoint of BD and RS drawn is parallel to QD, so by midpoint theorem S will also be midpoint of BQ. So this is equal to this. Now since BS is equal to SQ, since S is midpoint, and SR is SR common, and this is 90, this is 90. So by side angle side test, these two triangles are congruent. And if BSR and QSR both are congruent, then BR is equal to RQ, corresponding sides of congruent triangles are equal. So this BR is equal to now RQ, which is RQ. So RQ, QD and DR are equal, so each will be 60 degree. Equilateral triangle we found. This is 60, this is 90, so this will be 30. So we got X as 30 degree. That is the answer. Now here is another method. So we have drawn a circumcircle passing through point A, B and C. This D is midpoint of AC, this is 45, this is X, this is X. This is the circumcircle. This is the center of the circumcircle. From center join D, so this OD will be perpendicular because AD and DC are equal, so OD definitely will be perpendicular. This is 45, so this will be 45 vertically opposite angle. This is X, angle subtended by BC, and this is X, angle subtended by CP. So both the angles subtended are equal, so the chord will be equal. So BC is equal to CP. Equal chords subtend equal angles. So CP subtends X and BC subtends X. So both are equal. Now join, draw OQ perpendicular to BP. If we draw OQ perpendicular to BP, it will bisect this chord BP. Perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisects it. It means this is equal to this. Q is the midpoint now, will be Q is the midpoint of BP. Now join CQ. Since CB is equal to CP, CQ is common in both the triangles, and QB is equal to QP. We found just now that perpendicular drawn bisects the chord. So by SSS test, these two triangles are also congruent. So this is also midpoint, 90 degree. And OQC is a straight line. Points O, Q and C are collinear because this triangle is congruent to this triangle. So this angle will be this equal to this angle, and sum of these two 180, so each one will be 90. This is 90, this is 90, so this is a straight line. OC radius, OQC is a straight line and OC is radius. Now considering these two triangles, triangle BQC and triangle PQO. But before that, this is 45, this is 90, so this will be 45. This is 45 and this is 90, so this will also be 45. This is 90, this is 45, so this will be 45. So because of these two angles equal, these two sides will be equal. So these three mark like this. No, but this is equal to this. And 45, 45, so this side is equal to this side also. 1, 2, 3. So QC, QD and QO are equal. QC is equal to QD is equal to QO. Now in triangles, triangle QCB and QOP, first thing is CQ is equal to QO. Angle CQB is equal to angle PQO. Third, QB is equal to QP. These three informations we have. So therefore triangle CQB is congruent to triangle OQP by SAS test of congruency. After proving that these two triangles are congruent, we can say that BC is equal to OP. This BC is equal to OP, which means BC is equal to OP. So BC is this double line, BC is OP, and BC is CP, and OP is OC. So we can say that triangle OCP is an equilateral triangle. So therefore OC radius is equal to OP radius is equal to, since OP and BC are equal, BC and CP are equal, so OP and PC are equal. So if it is an equilateral triangle, so each angle will be 60 degree. But chord CP subtends 60 degree at the center of the circle. So the same chord will subtend half of this at the circumference. So since angle COP is equal to 2 times angle CBP. So 60 degree is equal to 2x. Hence x is equal to 30 degree.